Bitcoin has been trapping you over the last few weeks, but in this video, I'm gonna talk about what is really going on with Bitcoin. We have been perfectly predicting the last few months in the market here, and with that, we are currently printing on a massive short position. But the next thing is about to happen in the market, and I will deep dive into that in today's daily update video. But first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X, and most importantly to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video if you love those updates. And let's dive right away into the content for now, because Bitcoin is actually trapping you once again, and that is exactly what has been happening before on Bitcoin. Because actually what we can see in January 2026 here is that Bitcoin was creating a channel towards the upside, and with that, this point in the market right over here is really important. Why? This is the last support and the last price where Bitcoin pushed towards a lower low. That is a strong point. We call that a drop-off point in the market. So this price action right over here, this candle here, pushed the Bitcoin price towards new lows. And that's also a really important thing in the market here. And that is exactly what we have been seeing right over here in January 2026. After that, to continue the uptrend from this point, we need to gain this level towards the upside before some upside could hit the markets here. What we actually have been seeing is Bitcoin has been creating a channel towards that level. And after Bitcoin tapped that level, Bitcoin pushed further on towards the upside, take all the liquidity out that was laying above this drop-off point. And after that, Bitcoin started to rally towards the downside like crazy. And if we look at the price action we have been seeing right over here and convert it to what we are currently seeing on Bitcoin, we have the first point, the drop-off point that brought us towards a new lower low. We need to gain before Bitcoin could manage to see some upside once again. Right now, what we have been doing, exactly as we have been seeing right over here, Bitcoin has been creating a really fake uptrend towards the top side here, take all the liquidity out above this drop-off point, and after that Bitcoin saw a reaction further on towards the downside. Right now, if we convert this, I think we have been seeing this price action happening on Bitcoin. We have been seeing that first move, then some consolidation, and to be really honest, this consolidation looks so similar to what we have been seeing right over here in 2026 in January, but after that the real move towards the downside started, and that is something that I'm anticipating on right now, because that is basically what is about to happen right now. We have been perfectly predicting this top structure right over here with this Wyckoff distribution. We were the only channel who were talking about this Wyckoff distribution, but with that, we have been creating a big trade towards the downside over on BTCC, and we have been making approximately $25,000 on that trade. We have been searching for this move towards the downside, and still this is very, very valid, because right now the point we have been seeing in the market, the LPSY, that is the point we have been seeing right over here, and that is a swipe of the lower side of this AR and the SOW here. After that, Bitcoin will rally further on towards the downside. We are right now at this stage, and this is about to come to Bitcoin once again, and that could lead for either a Bitcoin price of approximately $66,000 here. And that will also start the next rally towards the downside, what we have been seeing right over here, the real capitulation before Bitcoin could go up. And that is still what I am anticipating on. I really want to see a capitulation wick towards the downside, take everyone out of the move we have been seeing in the past few months before Bitcoin could really find a bottom. Right now, still, we have been predicting this pattern once again. We were compressing towards an edge point right here, Bitcoin broke down, and after that we were shorting Bitcoin towards lower prices. Right now, we are at a point where Bitcoin could turn, but right now we are breaking through, so I think the $71,000 is inevitable for Bitcoin next week, and that is also where I am anticipating on. With my trade, I am currently $30,000 in a profit, and my target right now is at $71,000. But to be really honest, I'm gonna move this target towards that $66,000 mark. I think if Bitcoin hits that $71,000 mark, I will take profits off the table approximately 50% of this trade, but I will let the other 50% run even further towards the downside to squeeze every single dollar out of the market right now. As you actually can see, we have been trading this Bitcoin move all over from of this top right over here. I added some more towards my short position. The next limit order that was above here didn't get filled. I removed it right now. So we have been shorting from of this point, and right here we added some more value towards this trade, and with that we are currently printing on this trade like crazy. And the most beautiful part about this trade is we all did this live before it even happened. I shared this trade, these limit orders, before they even got filled here in my daily update videos. And of course, I'll give daily update videos every single day over on YouTube, and I have a free Telegram group which you could join with the link in the description, because we have been literally talking about this trading setup in the daily update videos and of course in my free Telegram community. So if you want to join the free Telegram community here, please make sure to join the link in the description to join the free Telegram group, and of course please make sure to subscribe over on this channel. So right now my next target is the $71,000. If that happens, I will probably take 25 towards 50% out of this trade. That would be a profit of approximately $20,000 here, and the rest I would let it run towards the $66,000. Right now I'm pretty comfortable in this trade. I've put my stop loss on break even. When Bitcoin hit at $77,000, I will set my stop loss right at the $78,300. If that happens, I will get stopped out on break even, but in this trade I can't even lose anymore. And this is just massive because literally everyone in the community is printing, and that community is completely free to join. So please make sure to join that free Telegram community with the link in the description, because I've been printing in the market lately and my community did, but I want you to do so as well. I am about to drop something really big in the upcoming weeks, and you can get early access completely for free if you join the free Telegram group with the link in the description. And what is about to drop will literally change your trading forever here, and your trading accounts look something like this with 30k in profit in the next weeks here. So please don't hesitate to join that free Telegram community with the link in the description. A bullish thing in the market, actually, what we are seeing is that the Bitcoin Bitfinex longs are increasing here, but a really interesting part, because everyone is talking about this, if you look at the history of Bitcoin, if the Bitcoin Bitfinex longs are pushing towards the upside, that is the point where Bitcoin is going down. Where the Bitcoin Bitfinex longs are going down, that is the real time where Bitcoin will see a push further on towards the upside. So of course, right now longs are getting loaded up, but to be really honest, we want to see this going down before Bitcoin could eventually go up. But right now this signal is signaling that people are willing to buy, that whales are willing to buy into the Bitcoin drop. But right now this is not a signal that Bitcoin could see a move from of this point further on towards the upside. We really want to see this getting stacked up and then see a decrease of the Bitcoin Bitfinex longs, because that is actually the point where Bitcoin is about to rally on towards the upside. And I'm gonna end this daily update video with that. I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video. And with that, I hope to see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.